Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining in today's video. I'm just going to take you guys along on this day. I am going to make baby's purees from scratch because recently when it's like on special, 4 will be 54 rand, and then 54 times what 4, it comes to 400 and something rand, which is a lot for me. And also I do find joy when I'm creating meals from scratch for my family. So come along and let's prepare together and learn together. Hope you guys do enjoy your stay, and I hope you do enjoy this video.
Your word lifts me, it keeps me holding on. Fear not, I am with you. Your love is where I belong. When storms rise around me, I stand on what you say. My help comes from the Lord. You guide me every day. You renew my spirit. You carry all my cares.
So these are what we're going to make. This, I also eat sweet potatoes. My people don't like them that much, but I do try to give them sometimes, like for snack. So the things that we buy, normally we buy things that are in season so that we don't spend like a lot on our fresh produce, because for now I'm still struggling to plant in my bucket. But hopefully as the time goes by, I'll find a better strategy. As long as we are here, I'll keep on trying and see what works and see what doesn't work. Making this puree, it is the sweet potato, apple, even though the color seems to be the same, but when the apple is peeled, it looks the same color as the sweet potato. Later on, I decided to add carrots for just that flavor. Normally the second flavor that we are going to prepare is oats and bananas. I don't know why the color came out the way it did. Maybe it is because I blended everything while it was still a bit hot, but we will improve, you guys, as the time goes by. I'm also preparing lunch. We are also preparing for the market. You can see, like, you guys, there's baskets everywhere. So it is our daily homemaking, our daily lives. So it is just eggs and sweet corn. I don't like sweet corn, you guys. I'll prepare the other normal corn later, but I don't think I'll ever buy this kind of corn from Spar ever again. I think I'll continue to buy from the street vendors outside. the shops, you know, those ones that stand on the street, but I'll cook them myself. And also that pot seems to be black because I was boiling the eggs and the sweet corn. One of my friends from the market taught me to put onions and avocados together because the avocado rip nicely compared to when I'm putting them like separately. I should throw away these lemons now, or I'll use them to clean, maybe. Yeah, I think I'll use them to clean because they've been here for quite some time now and they are not fresh. I haven't made my porridge in a long time. I do enjoy soft white porridge with lemon, so I haven't made it in a long time. This is the first puree. It is now ready, and then I'll add just a bit of water. I love the consistency of this puree. It came out so nicely. I think I managed to balance the water well. It is not too watery. She's eating it today. She ate the oats and banana one so nicely yesterday, like she enjoyed it. So for now, that one is a keeper. I'm not sure about this flavor as yet. She ate it, but she's not done. I'll tell you guys, I'll give you an update also if you are a mom and trying to save money by creating your own meals and also some of the things from scratch. And I'm so blessed that I have this blender. I did not trust like the quality of it because a lot of people were complaining about it, saying that it doesn't last, like, but I've had mine for almost 2 years now. Yeah, so for me, I'm happy. I got it from ShopRite for 350 rand, and I haven't had like problems. This is my second blender. The one that I got before, the big one, it's broke, and then I got this cheaper one and it works well for myself. So this is the banana and oats that Sissy likes, like she loves it, you guys. So I think, as I've mentioned, this one is going to be on all the preparation that I'm making. The big girls also enjoy eating bananas. We always have oats in the house, so this does not cost me anything, to be honest, you guys, compared to the one that we were buying, because in a day she was eating a whole bottle. I've forgotten how big is the is that purity jar. I'm laughing because now that I'm recording, she decided to just come and also talk, but it's okay, you guys. This is our life. This is part of what you are going to hear on my videos, and it won't be a problem for me to erase this, even though it's a permanent marker, but I'll just use a steel wool to erase whatever flavors I wrote here. I don't want to prepare a lot for now in case she doesn't like some of the flavors. I'm also preparing for the big babies, even though it is not the healthiest snack, but I am trying to make them from home. The snacks that I give them, you guys saw that we also buy your Itzamos and tennis. Those are not the best. They also have a lot of sugar. With these ones, at least I can like control how much sugar is in there, but they are not nutritious at all. Later I'll also prepare some scones. It is better to keep these in the house because sometimes they can like snack a lot, and I don't want to also make a lot. If it's finished, they don't say I must make more. If it's finished, it's finished, you guys. But I'm so grateful and happy that I'm now mastering a lot of good bakes. I used to hate baking, I don't wanna lie, but now I'm starting to enjoy it, you guys, because I can see that it also helps us financially, because sometimes we used to spend a lot on like snacks compared to Now it is better because I'm preparing some of these things from scratch. Please do leave me a comment if you want me to share some of these recipes, you guys, but I found them mainly here on YouTube or on Instagram. I love how these biscuits came out, you guys. They love these. This is the only batch I make, and I'm happy to make this much because if I make a lot, I know that they will want to have now and again. I don't want that to happen. So for now, I'll keep it on this one. And then also for the scones, this is the only tray I make, which should, like for like the weekend, if I'm putting them in the bottles, they are fresher for longer.
You got me every day. You renew my spirit. You carry all my cares. Every trial I whisper, I know you're always there. Your word is my strength. Your love never ends. Your word lifts me. Your promise makes me strong. Even in the valley, I know I'm not alone. Keeps me holding on. Fear not, I am with you. Your word lifts me up.
We are almost at the end of today's video. I just finished hanging baby's clothes. The reason why I'm hanging them like this washing line can sometimes make them yellow, like in between, so that is why I'm hanging them like this. And then hair dresses, I'll just put them on the hangers. I don't know why big sisters keep on taking all the towels for hair. I don't know, you guys, but it's okay. They're just trying to help, I guess, so there's nothing I can do if I really want their help. Tomorrow I'll be ironing these because currently, and also this day, later this day, yesterday to be exact, I finished ironing big sister's clothes. I'll leave them like this, and then they will come and put them in the drawers that they belong to. Thank you guys so much for being with us on this video. We really do appreciate you. Thank you so much for also supporting the channel by watching the adverts. It means a lot to me. It keeps me going and pushing with my journey. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you on my next upload. Bye for now.